Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to change the audio language on the YouTube app on your Android phone. If a video supports multiple languages, you can easily switch the audio to your preferred language. So just follow these simple steps. First, open the YouTube app and play any video. Now tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of the video. Here you'll see an option called audio track. Tap on it. Now simply choose your preferred language from the list. And that's it. Your video will now play in your selected audio language. Not all videos support multiple audio tracks. If you don't see the audio track option, it means the video only has one language available. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.